Hey everyone, we're here with part 2 of the farm tour. We're here in the back garden. With us we have a Sunflower 5030 cultivator. It has harrows on the back. It's really nice. If you see, you don't need to comment down below that we need to replace some of the shanks. We know that, just hadn't gotten to it yet. It's a really nice machine. Sorry about that. Really nice machine. It's does a really nice job. Here we have a Sunflower 1212 cultivator disc. It's a really good disc. It does a good job. We've had it for about 9 years. The only thing I don't like about it is when you have to grease it. It's got 1,000 little grease ergs that take like 10 minutes just to get to. But other than that, it's really nice. This here is an old corn planter. We don't do corn anymore because it's so hard on our combine, but I've got a little garden and I plant corn with this, so it's way faster than just using a little 1-row planter. Anyways, that's the planter. Here we have a Case Maxim 125. It's got wheel weights, front and back wheel weights. It's got 4 weights on the front. It's real nice. Second favorite tractor. It's a 2013, so it's about 9 years old. And it still smells like new. I haven't even taken the plastic off the seat. These are the controls. This is to gear up. This is to gear down. That's to lift and lower the implements. We got all this doohickey stuff up here. And then under here you got some more stuff. And then more stuff over here. And there's the PTO and more doohickey stuff. You might notice we don't have a monitor. We don't have a monitor because we don't have the need for a monitor. We're talking about getting one, but it's just going to be looking nice if we do get one. It's a nice view. It's back here. The only thing I don't like is that top of this 3-point there hangs around and just flies wherever it goes. But real nice tractor. We've got some augers over here. Since we don't use our grain bins, these augers never get used. They're not in super bad shape. They're still usable, but we just have no need for them. Here we have our bale auger, or elevator, whatever you want to call it. We do use it about probably a couple times every once in a while. We use straw every other year, but that's the only time it gets used. Here we have our bale wagon, round bale wagon. We don't have a round baler anymore because, well, we don't do round bales. So we just didn't have hay. We kind of regret not doing hay anymore. It was good for the land, but we've got no hay bind and baler. So this is basically no use to us except for putting stuff on it when we need to move it. Okay. Move on to here. Here we have an old 8-foot cultivator. We just use this for the garden too. Sometimes we'll do rounds around the fields just to check the moisture. And then on it is a John Deere 2130. The clutch is super hard, so if you're looking for a clutch that's hard for competition, this is the one. It's got somewhat new tires. Not a super bad machine, though I do hate that clutch. That's about it for part 2, so part 3 is next.